Hello everyone, welcome to Coding with Harshil. This is Harshil Chudasma, and today in this video we will talk about what is the class and ID attribute and what is the style tag. Okay, so we are going to see three new things in the our HTML tutorial, which is the class and ID attribute, and the another is the style tag. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you require a .html file with our basic structure like this. Okay, so now we will see the first is the style tag. Okay, and then we will move forward to the class and ID attribute. So first thing is the style tag, right? So generally all the tags that we have seen, we are writing it inside this body tag, like, so let's say h1 tag logo like this. Okay, so we have written this h1 tag like this. Okay, if I save it and refresh here, then you can see we got the logo like this. Okay, but the style tag we will write inside this head tag. Okay, so head tag is there, and inside that we will write the style tag, because the style tag is related to the our css means cascading style sheet. Okay, the css is used to style the our html tags like this h1 tag. Okay, so I will write here style tag like this. You can see the suggestion, and here we have the type attribute, which is the value is text slash css. Okay, which is denoting that yes, it is a css. Okay, and we can write here our css styles for this h1 tag. Okay, so if I save this file and refresh here, then you can see nothing changes there, because we have doesn't style this h1 tag. Okay, it is our html tutorial, therefore I am not going in the deep, but let I give you one example here of the css. So I am styling here h1 tag, right? So I have written here h1 like this, and then I will click the curly braces, and inside that, let's say I want to change the color of that, so I will write the color, and let's say color is the blue, and I'm also changing the background color, and let's say it is a light blue. Okay, like this, save it, and if I refresh here, then you can see we got the color as a blue for this text, and the background color is the our light blue color. Okay, so this is how we can style the our particular h1 tag. Okay, and if we have the multiple tags, then we can write it inside this style tag, and we can style it. Okay, so this is all about the style tag. I hope you have clear idea about this style tag. So now we will move forward to the class and id attribute. Okay, so let I write here, or let I create here one ul means unordered list, and I will also add some list items. Okay, so I have created a unordered list with the 4 items: home, services, contact, and about. Okay, so here we have created some type of navigation bar. Okay, let I save it and refresh here, then you can see we got the our navigation bar, right? So now we will discuss the our class and id attribute. Okay, so the first thing is that the class and id attribute are global. Okay, we can write it in the all tags. Okay, like this here, we have this h1 tag, right? So I will give the class name to this h1 tag, right? So I can write here like class, and then I can give the any name to this class. Okay, so I mean I can give the any name to this h1 tag. Okay, so here it is our logo, right? So I can write here logo like this. Okay, so this class and id attributes are the identifier. Okay, so whenever we are styling the our h1 tag or any tag we are styling, at that time we can use this class and id attribute. Okay, so let I give one example here. Okay, I am putting here some br tag like this. Okay, and now I will create a welcome page. Okay, so I will write here welcome to coding with Harshil. Okay, like this, save it and refresh. Okay, so you can see we got the logo here as it is, and our ul tag is there also, and here also we got the our welcome to coding with Harshil. Okay, and background color and all these things are same, but here the thing is that for this logo I want this style, that is the color blue, and background color is light blue. That is okay, done. But for this welcome to coding with Harshil text, I don't want these styles. Okay, so at that time we have this multiple h1 tag, right? You can see here, uh, for this h1 tag we have used the logo, and for this h1 tag we have used the welcome text. Okay, but for this h1 tag we have styled this color blue and background color is light blue. Okay, so at that time this class and id attribute will be used. Okay, here the class is the logo. Okay, so if I write here, let's say dot logo. Okay, so this dot is the for the class and logo is the class name. Okay, save it and refresh. Then you can see we got the logo, means our logo text and the style is the same, but for this welcome to coding with Harshil we didn't get this same style. Okay, why? Because we have applied this style for the class name which is the logo. Okay, so we will find, it will find the class name logo inside this body tag and we will found here. Okay, so that's why the class is the identifier and which is used to style the our tags. Okay, so that is the all about the class name. I hope you have clear idea about this class name. Okay, one another thing is there for this class name, which is we can give the same name for the different tags. Okay, let's say here we have this ul tag, right? And here it is the, our navigation tabs, we can say that, right? So here I can give the class name like this and nav tab. Okay, nav tab. Okay, I can copy it and paste it for all this li tag. Okay, so here you can see for all these li tags we have the same class name as a nav tab. Okay, which is right, because this ul is for the navigation tabs, right? Home, services, contact and about. Okay, so for all these tags the all are the nav tabs, right? So if I want to style all this tab like nav tab, okay, and I can give the color, let's say red. Okay, so for the all navigation tabs we will got the red color like this. Okay, so this is the use of this our class attribute. Okay, so I hope you have clear idea about this class. Okay, now I will move forward to the id attribute. Okay, so like this class attribute, in the id attribute we cannot give the same name to the different tags, right? So if I write here, let's say id equals to active. Okay, I have given this active tab because I have given this active name because whenever we are opening the our website, at that time our home page will be displayed first. Okay, so it is an active tab like this. Okay, and here if I give the active again and I will style it inside this style tag. So a hashtag is for the id and then we have to write the our id name, and I will give the color, let's say white, and background color I will set it to red like this. Okay, so save it and refresh here. Then you can see whenever the website will open we will see the first home tab. Okay, so home tab is active, but here you can see the about tab is also active. Why? Because we have given the same id for this about, sorry, we have given the same id for these two different tags. Okay, that's why it is looking like this and it is a unreliable data, because home tab is active, we are seeing the home page, not about page. Okay, so that is the thing, and that's why we don't have to give this same name as a id. Okay, for the different tags. Okay, so I hope you have clear idea about this class and id attribute and this style tag. Okay, so I hope you have clear idea about all these things: class attribute, id attribute and style tag. Okay, but still if you have any query, any doubt in this video, then you can ask me in the comment. And guys, if you are new to our channel, then make sure you subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest notification videos on my channel. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next time.